Hello, my name is Adam Rice. I'm the Channel Manager for the Great Lakes District at IBM. I'd like to thank you for listening to today's webinar. I'm pleased to be able to introduce my premier partner in the insurance industry, Image Process Design, also commonly known as IPD. IPD has been one of IBM's leading partners since 1991. Over the past 17 years, we've collaborated on a number of large enterprise-level insurance companies, just like the reference you hear today, Sun Life. Throughout their work delivering mission-critical applications for nearly half of Blue Cross Blue Shield plans in many well-known life insurance companies throughout North America, they bring a wealth of expertise, knowledge to every project they work on. IBM and IPD have strong applications that create unparalleled automation to many everyday manual process in insurance companies across North America. To go into further depth on IPD, worked with Sun Life, I'd like to introduce my partner, Gary Kay, VP of Operations at IPD.
Thanks, Adam. I'd like to begin today's session with a brief introduction to IPD. IPD is a solution provider of packaged enterprise content management, business process management-based applications built specifically to address the unique needs of life and health insurance organizations. Our software provides a robust technology platform that meets or exceeds the performance expectations for mission-critical work processes in many leading insurance companies. Its ability to scale has been proven in large enterprise transaction processing environments. Our company focuses on satisfying the process automation needs of life, disability, health, and property and casualty companies, and has done so for over 15 years. Through this experience, we've developed strong domain expertise, which we leverage in serving our customers. We are proud of our track record and the results realized by our customers. We enjoy a highly referenceable blue-chip customer base that includes Sun Life Financial, AAA Life, Pacific Life, and many other well-known companies. IPD offers enterprise-class applications consisting of content and process management technologies and discrete levels of functionality, targeted at automating specific insurance business functions. Our software products leverage the IBM FileNet P8 platform and integrate with leading business rules engines to provide powerful and robust levels of business automation through configuration. IPD product offerings include a suite of prepackaged and integrated applications that deliver insurance-specific features and functions to business units. Other characteristics of our software include management of business processes with workflow and reporting, automation based on business rules, connectivity with current systems, and specialized process and task-level user interfaces tailored to meet specific process needs. IPD solutions have been effectively deployed to support the case management and transaction processing needs of key functions throughout the life insurance enterprise, including disability, new business and underwriting, customer service, annuities, and claims. Our solutions are tailored to each customer's needs. We work with each customer to clearly understand specific needs and to determine how best to satisfy their requirements through configuration, business rules, and integration of IPD application software. IPD also provides a wide range of professional services that span the information technology lifecycle. Based upon a customer's needs, our services may involve an analysis of potential process automation opportunities, implementation of an IPD application solution, and providing ongoing support once the solution has been placed into production use. Our managers and staff have an average of 10 years of experience serving the process automation needs of insurance organizations. This experience provides a common frame of reference, helps to facilitate collaborative relationships with our customers, and promotes project efficiency, resulting in rapid early benefits. IPD focuses on the business of insurance through innovative, functionally rich, technically sound application solutions that drive measurable operating benefits. Our process automation software leverages the IBM FileNet P8 platform and integrates with leading business rule engine technologies. IPD's consulting resources are equipped to take full advantage of the value offered through our software to help insurance organizations achieve their operational objectives. IPD is committed to each customer's success, from planning and solution implementation to post-implementation and ongoing support. And now I'd like to introduce Mr. Ted Porchetta, Vice President, Group Benefits IT, Sun Life Financial.
Thank you, Gary. Sun Life Financial is a leading international financial services organization. We provide a diverse range of wealth accumulation and protection products and services to both individuals and corporate customers.
We've been around since 1865, and we currently have operations in key markets around the world, including Canada, United States, United Kingdom, Ireland, Hong Kong, Philippines, Japan, Indonesia, India, China, and Bermuda. We have approximately 15,000 employees worldwide, and our corporate head office is located in Toronto, Canada. I'm very pleased to be sharing our success story today in the recent deployment of our new disability claims management system. I will begin by providing some background on the project and talk about some of the challenges we were facing, and I will then cover some of the objectives and features of the solution we implemented and provide some information on the benefits we achieved. Imaging and workflow technology was not new to us prior to this project. We have been using this technology for a number of years and in different parts of our business. What I am going to speak about today relates to the recent deployment of an application to support our short and long-term disability claims operations in both Canada and US. The project objective was to replace an existing application which already made extensive use of imaging and workflow technology. The application we were replacing was functionally very rich, and our business partners were very satisfied with how it performed. The driver to replace the system was the fact that the underlying technology was obsolete and no longer supported. Our business partners had very high expectations for the new system. They did not want to lose any functionality and were very reluctant to change how they did their work. We knew that any functionality we deployed in the new system would be benchmarked against their existing system. Expectations were very high, and the bar for IPD and Altera was set quite high as well. Our business had grown significantly through acquisitions, and consequently, there was a strong desire to improve our efficiency. We recognized very early in the project the need for very robust case management capabilities, and we also needed our ECM environment to be tightly integrated with our existing mainframe claims payment system. The disability claims business is not a transaction business. Unlike our health and dental claims operation, the emphasis is not on how fast the transaction is processed, but rather on the timeliness and quality of the decisions we make on the status of a claim or the actions we need to take to actively manage the case. Caseworkers are knowledge workers who spend over 75% of their time searching, assembling, reading, and understanding information. Our existing mainframe system is functionally very rich when it comes to automating the claim payment functions, but it does not provide, nor can it easily be modified to integrate information of all types into a single case view. Our existing mainframe system is also oriented around a claim view, and we need the caseworkers to see a more holistic view of the claimant. In other words, we need a client-centric view rather than a claim-centric view. The ongoing management of a disability claim can go on for a very long time, sometimes 30-plus years. There are numerous actions involved in the management of a case and tons of information collected during the life of a claim. The files can get very large, and information can be very difficult to find if not properly structured. Regular actions on case files are cumbersome, time-consuming, and error-prone, and follow-up actions are not easily monitored when caseloads are heavy. The nature of this business is such that time delays or missed actions can have a huge negative financial impact. Technology can help the caseworkers remain focused on the case and organize the actions required to allow the claimant to return to work as soon as possible, in a healthy state, of course. So here are some of the operational challenges we faced. We needed a robust and scalable application that would provide a comprehensive, easy-to-use, and centralized view of all information. The conversion of the new application needed to be well planned. Any potential disruption to our claims operation was a huge concern and could have a major negative financial impact. Any loss of functionality was unacceptable, and in fact, gains in functionality were mandatory. Given the cost of the project, we couldn't simply deliver what they already had. Loss in downtime was unacceptable. We needed the system to be up 100% of the time, and we needed a system that would perform well consistently. User acceptance and ease of use was mandatory. The learning curve to transition to the new system needed to be very short. Simply put, the expectations of the new application were extremely high. An additional factor is that we needed to implement and train staff across 9 different locations in both Canada and the US. These are some of the solution objectives. The new system needed to be adapted to meet ever-changing business needs. The technology needed to be reliable, proven, and mainstream. The functionality needed to be both broad and deep. A configurable or rule-based solution was preferred over a hard-coded system. We wanted a solution that is tightly integrated with existing business systems. A browser-based presentation layer was a must. Real-time monitoring and reporting were key requirements, and we needed appropriate levels of document and user security. We used the IBM FileNet ECM platform and IPD's Altera application to build our new system. Altera user interfaces present work content and task completion functions in consistent, easy-to-use formats, allowing people to make appropriate decisions. Altera is a configured application which helped in defining business requirements. A prototype was used so the whole team could see what the new system would look like early in the development lifecycle. Extensive management reporting was created to monitor and manage the work across Sun Life's various locations and teams. The 4 features listed on this slide are key elements of the solution. Claim file worksheets provide a centralized view of each claim and data synchronization between many other systems. They are linked to other tasks and related to other claims. Member file worksheets provide concise views of member information relating to a claim and consolidated information related to an event. And those worksheets are also linked to claim and member tasks. For the most part, our disability claim staff view case information online. However, there are occasions where we need to print information in the file to quickly respond to regulatory, legal, and internal requests, for example. As I mentioned earlier, these files can be quite large, and the print claim file utility allows the selection of complete or individual components of a file easily and simply. Data gathered by the system in real time is used to create management reports that help the business proactively manage the operation for optimal throughput. As I mentioned earlier, there is a wide variety of tasks performed by a number of different individuals involved in the management of a claim. A sample of these tasks is shown on the left-hand side of this slide. Altera provides an integrated desktop to efficiently perform all of these tasks. Altera also seamlessly interacts with our mainframe claim payment system in real time and provides an integrated platform to view and manage the information stored across multiple systems. The system is easy to use and intuitive. The context-aware integrated desktops can be personalized for each user. It eliminates manual searching, sorting, and case assembly, and it automates caseload management, reminders, follow-ups, and correspondence. It is a complete turnkey application with business reconciliation, single-click task completion, management dashboards, and productivity and reporting statistics. This slide continues to display how Altera meets the challenges. The focus of this slide is to depict the ongoing management of a claim. Claims typically, once approved for payment, go into a cycle of dormancy during which there is no activity until either a timed event has expired or a new document has arrived. The claims examiner must review the claim upon activation to re-familiarize themselves with the case before they can make the next decision on an action plan. In most paper-based environments, sticky notes and/or paper worksheets are used extensively. Altera manages all data and content electronically in a single user interface. So document folders based on predefined case structure simplifies the navigation to pertinent information. Data from a work item is clearly displayed. Information is grouped into folders, and there's extensive security and business rules which controls the access to that information. There are easy-to-use icons available to perform multiple integrated business functions, and tight integration with our host system allows data from our legacy mainframe application to be viewed and managed alongside the case data stored in the Altera database. The application is multilingual, and in our case, we have deployed it in both English and French. This slide summarizes the major achievements. The project met or exceeded all of the requested requirements and the high expectations of our business partners. The project was successful because of the IPD product suite, the FileNet-based platform, and the knowledgeable staff at IPD and Sun Life. A huge portion of the project's success is attributed to the commitment and dedication of all parties involved. This was a very smooth implementation with virtually no technology glitches. The system is extremely stable and performing well. We have been in production since May with virtually no downtime. Because a configurable application was used versus a custom build, The business was able to model the solution early, which helped to clearly define requirements and to properly set expectations. Here are some additional benefits that were achieved. We had a greater number of tasks automated than we had in the old system. Our ability to sequence work has improved. We realized an increase in productivity. By that I mean that an increased number of transactions can be completed with existing workforce. We have more robust document security and controls. We have improved extensibility and scalability, and better management reporting. And finally, we now have a new application built on a technology that is very stable and well supported. In conclusion then, deployment at Sun Life is complete with virtually no disruption of the business. Our users or business partners adapted to the new system quickly and easily and are very happy with the new system. Technology has proven to be stable and reliable, and the expected benefits have been achieved. Consequently, due to the success of this project, we are currently looking at expanding the use of Altaria in other areas of our business. Here's some contact information in case you want to learn more about our experience or the products that I talked about today, and I thank you for your patience.